Alright, so hi. It's been 4 minutes. My partner twirls. Like, his game went like Chrome or something, dude. I don't even know what happened, but apparently he couldn't see anything. So it's been 4 minutes. There he's back again. 5 minutes. It's their host. You can see we're all in here. Except for our partner, of course. But it is a search and destroy. So the match can be started. Let's see if they start now. 5 minutes. I'm keeping on 5 minutes. I'll invite my partner real quick. Not my partner, teammate. As you can see, we're not host. It is second map, Turbine. .5 minutes still. Haven't started. Give them to 6 until basically they forfeit the map for not starting it. Six minutes. Right there, and they haven't started the match. That is a forfeit at second map.